What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we talk all things cars, from the classics to the cutting edge. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest debates in the car world. Are European cars really superior to American cars? Whether you're a fan of the precision engineering of a German sports car, or you love the raw power of an American muscle car, we've got a heated discussion for you today. We're comparing performance, reliability, design, and price to find out if European cars really deserve the hype, or if American automakers are bringing more to the table than we think. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's jump into this epic showdown. Let's kick things off with one of the biggest factors for any car enthusiast: performance. And this is where the European versus American debate really heats up. When you think of European cars, what comes to mind? Precision, agility, and handling. European automakers like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Porsche are renowned for creating cars that are fine-tuned for sharp corners, tight handling, and balance. These cars are designed for performance on twisty mountain roads and high-speed autobahns. Just look at the Porsche 911, it's a masterpiece of engineering, offering surgical handling and incredible balance at high speeds. But when we flip over to American cars, it's all about power and straight-line speed. American automakers like Ford, Chevrolet, and Dodge know how to build cars that roar. Think about the Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, or the Dodge Challenger. These muscle cars pack massive V8 engines and offer blistering acceleration on the straights. The focus is on raw horsepower, torque, and making you feel like you're driving a beast. Pro tip: if you love the thrill of cornering and precision driving, European cars have the edge. But if you crave the adrenaline rush of raw power and acceleration, nothing beats an American muscle car. So which one's better? Well, that's up for debate. Do you want the refinement of a European car, or the ferocity of an American engine? Comment below with your pick. Alright, next up is reliability. If you're spending your hard-earned money on a car, you want to make sure it's going to last, right? Let's start with European cars. Brands like Volvo, Audi, and Volkswagen have a reputation for high-quality engineering. When properly maintained, these cars can last for hundreds of thousands of miles. However, and this is a big however, maintenance costs for European cars can be quite high. Parts are often more expensive, and the repair process can be more complex due to the precision engineering. So, while they're durable, they can also be a bit of a headache for your wallet if something goes wrong. On the flip side, American cars like the Chevy Malibu or Ford Fusion tend to be more affordable when it comes to parts and repairs. American automakers build cars that are often simpler to maintain, and they've improved their reliability over the years. Ford and Chevrolet have made significant strides in this area, and brands like Jeep and Ram are known for building tough, reliable trucks and SUVs. Pro tip: if you're looking for a car that's easy to repair and doesn't cost an arm and a leg in maintenance, American cars might be the better choice. But if you're after long-lasting durability with top-notch engineering, even if it's more expensive, European cars can't be beaten. So, what do you prefer? Reliable but pricey maintenance, or easy to repair with a few more trips to the mechanic? Now, let's talk design, where things really get subjective. European cars are known for their sleek, refined designs, while American cars go big on boldness and attitude. Take a look at the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, for example. This car is the epitome of luxury. Everything about it, from the curves of the exterior to the luxurious interior materials, screams elegance. European automakers focus on minimalism, precision, and style that reflects sophistication. Brands like Audi, BMW, and Jaguar all offer interiors that make you feel like you're sitting in a first-class lounge. Even the smallest details are designed to give drivers a premium experience. But American cars are no slouch when it comes to design. They may not be as refined as their European counterparts, but they make up for it with boldness and personality. Think about the Cadillac Escalade or the Dodge Charger. These cars have presence. American automakers aren't afraid to go big, with muscular lines, aggressive front grille, and interiors that feel spacious and rugged. And then there's the American SUV culture. Cars like the Ford Bronco or the Jeep Grand Cherokee offer that big, sturdy look that feels rugged yet modern. It's about making a statement. Pro tip: if you want a car that turns heads with refined, minimalist elegance, go European. But if you're looking for something with a bold, commanding presence, American cars have a unique charm. So, what's your style? Do you lean more toward European sophistication, or are you a fan of the American boldness? Alright, here's where it gets real for most buyers: price and value. Let's face it, we all want the best bang for our buck. European cars are typically more expensive, and that's not just because of import taxes. The engineering, luxury features, and brand prestige all contribute to a higher price tag. If you're eyeing a BMW, Mercedes, or Porsche, be prepared to pay a premium. But for some, it's worth every penny because you're getting a car that's built with precision, offers a luxurious ride, and holds its value well over time. On the other hand, American cars are usually more affordable, especially when you look at brands like Ford, Chevrolet, and Dodge. Not only do you save money up front, but the cost of ownership is also lower thanks to cheaper maintenance and repairs. In fact, some American cars offer great value for money with plenty of modern features for a fraction of the price of European competitors. But here's the catch: European cars tend to retain their value better over time. While American cars may be cheaper initially, they can depreciate faster, meaning you'll lose more money when it comes time to sell. Pro tip: if you're after long-term value and are willing to invest more upfront, European cars offer excellent resale value. But if you're working with a tight budget and want a reliable, affordable ride, American cars give you more options for less money. What's your priority? Upfront cost or long-term value? So, which is truly better, European or American cars? Well, it all depends on what you're looking for. If you're after precision performance, luxury design, and long-term durability, European cars like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Porsche might be your top pick. These cars are engineered to perfection, offer a luxurious ride, and hold their value incredibly well. But if you crave raw power, bold designs, and affordability, then American cars like the Ford Mustang, Chevy Camaro, or Jeep Grand Cherokee deliver big. You get more bang for your buck with lower maintenance costs and that unmistakable American muscle vibe. At the end of the day, there's no right or wrong answer. It's all about your personal preference and what you prioritize in a car. Let me know in the comments, are you Team European or Team American? I can't wait to hear what you all think. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car debates like this. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.